Did you know that arachnophobia, that is the fear of spiders, is one of the most common fears among humans? It affects about 3 to 6% of the world population. Today, we are going to discuss 5 essential factors about spiders. Number 1. Introduction to spiders. Spiders are fascinating little creatures with 8 legs, a fact that separates them from insects and makes them arachnids. They possess special glands called the spinnerets that produce silk. Spiders use this silk to make webs, traps, and wrapping around prey, also making egg sacs. Sometimes